Here are the steps to take if your Meta ad account has been disabled. Number 1. Review the reason. Understand the specific violation or policy that led to the disablement by carefully reading the notification or email from Meta. Number 2. Submit an appeal. The point A is visit the account quality page in Meta's Help Center. B. Follow the instruction by submitting an appeal. C. Provide a clear and concise explanation of why your account should be reinstated. Number 3. Contact Meta support. Point number 8. Explore resources like Meta's Business Help Center, Meta's Business Community or Meta Ad support page. Number B. Look for available contact channels. Number C. Explain your situation after you have found how to contact Meta support. Number 4. Be patient and persistent. Point number 8 is resolving disabled ad account can take time. B. Follow up on your appeal or support request if you don't receive any timely response from Meta. So Meta can take a lot of time. So be persistent. Number 5. Comply with policies. Under 5.A is review your ad account activities. Number B. Ensure you are adhering to Meta's advertising policies. That is, follow Meta's advertising policies. Please note that reinstatement is not guaranteed and Meta has the final say in this decision. Familiarize yourself with Meta's advertising policies to avoid future issues with your ad account. Write in the comment, was your ad account disabled and how did you fix it? Follow to learn more on Meta ads.